Today, Snow Day science experiments are back in session because it's been a while since we had a snow day.
So what are we doing today, Molly?
We're going to make a speedboat out of aluminum foil.
Good. And what materials do you need for this snow day experiment?
We need a ruler, soap, scissors, and aluminum foil.
What's over here? What's this?
And you need
A dish?
a dish
With what's in it?
with water.
And it's just tap water, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can get it out of the faucet.
Okay, good. Now, how did you make your boat?
So, we cut a square out, which is 7 centimeters long, and 5 centimeters, about 5 centimeters wide.
Great. And so, and then what did you do with that rectangle?
Then we cut the 2 triangles on the top here. Then we cut up a little circle about my pinky size.
And what are we doing in that little spot?
We're going to put some dish soap right there.
Okay. So why don't we try it out?
So first you put the boat inside the water against a side. Then we're going to take our dish soap and put it right there.
Woo! Now, will it work a second time?
No,
Why not?
because the surface tension has changed.
Good work.